What if you never had to click through your CRM ever again? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 things you can do in GoHighLevel's Ask AI. It is absolutely amazing. It's going to make your job so much easier, and it is the wave of the future that everybody's super excited about. Because imagine you just doing day-to-day tasks that you got to do for your CRM, but instead of you clicking buttons and doing things, you literally can speak right to it. And today, I'm going to show you the top 5 that I'm currently using right now to help me manage my day-to-day. So stay tuned and build along with us. I'm right here inside of Ask AI. And if you don't know how to install it or don't have it installed inside of your white label CRM, or more importantly, in your GoHighLevel account, you have to go to settings. Inside of settings in your agency level, you then have to enable this for all your accounts, and only agency admins can technically use this right now. So make sure to ask them to use it if you're not an agency admin, but if you are, watch the video I did earlier in order to set this up so you can see the full setup originally how to do it. But without further ado, let's get right into it. First and foremost, managing contacts and adding contacts in here has never been easier. So I'm going to give you an example. Please create a contact named Rosa Tavares. Her number is 1-800-555-1212. Her email is rosa@gmail.com. And ensure that you give her a tag of new lead for me so then I can get her set up in our systems. I spoke it. I have Whisper Flow directly inside my computer. You can download it. One of the best tools I can recommend. And what it's going to do is it's going to basically add this contact directly in there. Here's the contact I'm ready to create for you. Just reply with confirm or yes. And I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Contact management at this level makes it incredibly easy and allows you to talk very quickly in getting these things done for this. All right. So it says, I have a duplicate contact, use a different phone number. Absolutely. So I'm going to say, use a different number. It's actually 888-555-1212 and update Rosa with that phone number instead. And what's going to be great is once you have this contact going, you can do other things with it that the system allows you to use. So again, it's been up. It looks like she's all set and ready to go. She got the tag of new leads. And now let's just make sure that this has happened. So if I go to contacts, and I see Rosa Tavares number with a new tag of lead. Fantastic. Let's go back to Ask AI. All right. And we're going to come over here. Now let's create a different one, right? Now let's put her on our calendar to get going. So do me a favor. Can you please book an appointment for Rosa Tavares, rosa@gmail.com. She's a brand new lead contact. I need her to have an appointment for Monday at 8 a.m. on any of my calendars, preferably the new Discovery calendar if I have that available. And I'm going to go ahead and enter. Now, I don't remember which calendars I have set up in here, and it's asking me which different calendars are out there. So it's actually going in there and checking all the calendars that I have pretty much active. We're going to give it a few seconds, let this thing cook, but look how fast this thing is. Seeing what it did is it pulled up all my calendars, and I'm going to say just clarity. Please, it's the free 15-minute visibility call. Please put her in there. And also, I think I made a mistake. This is for the contact named Rosa Tavares. So please ensure that it's going to the right contact and put her on the calendar. Now, I can make up my own appointments and have it directly in here. This is how insane this thing is. Let me search for Rosa Tavares first to make sure it's the right record. Email, boom, and again, I made a mistake. So it's trying to say that it's got, I mentioned the wrong email, which I did at first, and the system, but I want to flag something before we proceed. And I'm going to say in the reply area, go ahead and proceed. That's the right contact, but I originally made a mistake when I mentioned the wrong email address. You were actually right with the contact you pulled. So go ahead and make the appointment. Just like an employee, how easy is this in there? And what if I wanted to update a pipeline and ensure that that's happening and moving in the right direction? I can also update pipelines directly in here by using the same contact and making sure that she's added as a new lead directly in there. So we're going to give it a few minutes. Let it make the appointment. All right, now the true test. Let's go to calendars. Let's go to our 15 minutes. And there's Rosa right there. How cool is that? All right, now we're going to go back to Ask AI. Now let's just say, that's great. Could you do me a favor? I want to make sure I keep up to my pipeline. Can we put Rosa Tavares in the appointment book column inside our lead management pipeline? And I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And mind you, I can keep going in the same conversation, but I'm opening up new conversations just so you can see how quick and fast this is. Again, we added it to our stages in here. So I'm going to go over to our pipelines. Oh, so should I go create? Yes. So I totally missed the whole yes part. So hopefully you found it and it's going to post it for us and then we'll check it. Hey, we want to interrupt this video for a quick little minute to just let you know that I hope you're enjoying this video. We want to thank you for being here. But more importantly, we are hoping that this content helps you do whatever you're trying to do inside of HighLevel. We also want to let you know that you have options to get additional help. We offer a $197 a month VIP coaching program that includes 4 days of office hours, first come, first serve with Andy or myself, where we go in and we answer any of your questions that you might have live with a group setting for other people that are also working in HighLevel. We also have a VIP group where we answer questions directly one-on-one with anybody posting in that group to give you the absolute best support. It also comes with a bunch of other features, including our funnel brick system, our little mini course, and more importantly, a couple guides that'll help you through this, and also including our SOP library that we use for pretty much everything inside of our agency. So thank you for this quick little minute, but more importantly, go back to the video, get whatever you need, and if you have any questions that we can answer inside the video, just drop a comment on the video and we'll make sure to answer whenever we get a chance. And now back to the show. All right, moment of truth that it booked the appointment. So we're going to go to opportunities, come directly in here. There's Rosa Tavares booked in the appointment. How awesome is that? We're going to continue going in here and we can kind of leverage the same conversations, or we can just start a new chat every time. And again, I don't have any data in here directly, but I can say, let's look at our recent pipeline on the lead management side. How many leads do we actually have that haven't been worked, and how many have actually booked an appointment? And give me a full rundown and give me what opportunities I should be calling first. So we're going to see if it can read the pipeline, go through it, understand what leads are in there. And again, this is all Mac data, so not real, but it should give me at least some preliminary stuff into there. And it's, look, let me pull your pipelines and opportunities simultaneously. And it's going to go through the whole channels to find and pull stuff for us. How cool is that? It not only tells me which leads I should call, it tells me why I need to call and the fact that her email bounced because it wasn't a real email. Look at this bottom line. You have 51 untouched leads rotting in the new lead and 0 pipeline movement. From day one, pull the full list of new leads and go ahead and call. But what if we can do some pretty advanced stuff? I'm going to ask it to create a voice and AI chat widget that can book appointments for my company. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to speak it because, again, I have Whisper Flow to come in here, or I can just develop a prompt in any of my regular chat GPTs or directly in here. And this is what I'm going to say. I want you to create a voice and a chat AI agent for my company called Nuno's Test Account, Voice and AI Chat Agency. And what I do is I set up voice and chat AI agents for other companies. I want you to create an agent that will be basically answering very simple questions and getting customers to book appointments, both via chat and also via voice. And we're going to let that go and we're going to see what it can do. Now, this is obviously going to take a little bit longer, but guess what it can do? It's going to get started in right away. It's probably going to create some scripts. Now, again, I can go back and give it a little bit more time and take my time in developing what my company does, what my hours operations are, what my prices are, what my offers are, and then really go into it. But at the same time, right now, I just want to create this in a very simplistic format that just shows you that you can create this directly in here with very little to no assistance. And you can also use this chat in here to basically create a conversation and get it going the right way. And it already knows how to set it up. Now, we have more updated documents to create the best agent, but if you just want to go out there and create something that you can use right away, this is definitely something that you can do. All right, so it's saying right here, both agents are ready to be created. Just simply hit confirm both, and I'm just going to confirm both, and it's going to go ahead and build all this out. We're going to give it a few minutes and let it do this. Voice AI created successfully, so let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to go to AI agents. I'm going to go to agent or voice AI. Inside of Voice AI, I'm going to go to my agent lists. Nuno's Voice Assistant created today at 4:10. Let's see. We have Nuno's Test Assistant. Everything's directly in here. Look at this. I answered questions or book an appointment. How can I help? Agent goals, phone availability. If I go switch to advanced mode, look at this. It's got it already right here. It has it set up. I don't know if it's taking appointments, but it's pretty darn good to begin with. And again, I could just come in here and fix it. So what I'll do is let me go back to Ask AI because I did see that I was having a little bit of an issue in here. Unable to create on the chat agent, pending, activation status, Jessica the voice, call duration, blah, blah, blah. Everything's good in here. And then try again on the chat AI agent. And also it's not set to book appointments on Voice AI. Can you make that correction? Now it might have limited, situation where it just might not have access to it. But the fact that it even got started is pretty darn amazing, right? And again, this is the beta version of this. And I've actually heard rumors that you're going to be able to do this directly from Claude Code via an API later on, or possibly in a private integration. So if you want to know how that works, start checking out my private integration video for MCP for GoHighLevel, because that's going to be basically the future, and you can control it from different bots and even probably from your phone, which I'm assuming this is where it's going to go to next. So we're going to give it another try in there, and then we're going to do one more test, and then that's it, guys. You can come in here and honestly work through this and make sure it's super easy to do, and you can obviously operate your life. So unfortunately, Chat AI is still giving us a little bit of a 403. That means it'll have to be something corrected, but it says it's still blocked. However, voice says appointment action. I found 7 calendars. We're going to be number 3. Okay. Unfortunately, couldn't fix the Chat AI issue, but we'll work with that. And then the last but not least, just so we're on here, we're going to ask it to create an image for us to post offering our brand new services for our voice AI setup. And we're going to ask it to create not only an Instagram post, but also an image. And we're going to see how it does. Create an Instagram post and image if you can. That will basically be for promoting our test account agency services, where we will set up your first voice AI agent for free and give you a 30-day free trial to our white label CRM. So take a look at this. Pretty darn cool, really nice setup, nice and clean. Link in bio and everything else. And I can literally come over here and say, can you please post this on Instagram for me and schedule it for Thursday at 9 p.m. And if I do this and I had Instagram already connected, this will work. Now, grant you, this is only for your professional accounts. It doesn't do personal, but how cool is this? I would hit enter. And if I had Instagram or Facebook or any other thing connected, I can automatically do it through here. Super crazy bonuses for anybody that is not using this tool. You are out of your mind. And also one more thing, Ask AI is on mobile live. So you can literally go in there and talk to your AI directly from your mobile phone, as long as you have the HighLevel Lead Connector app on your phone. And I'm going to show you this quick little video from Sean showing you everything about it.
Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from HighLevel. So Ask AI has been so awesome and amazing on desktop that we have brought it to mobile. That's right. Ask AI is now available in the mobile app. Let me see here. Let me make sure I find the right. It's always the version that it always throws us off. Okay, I have no idea what version. Apparently, there's no version number here, but probably the latest version, right? So we've done so well with it. We thought we'd bring it obviously to the mobile app, both HighLevel Lead Connector and on the white label mobile apps. Give you the power to take actions, create content, and get high-level support and get things done anywhere, anytime. So what do we have here? We have 500 new marketplace app actions in your pocket, trigger your entire stack from a single conversation, add leads to sequences, book appointments, pull transactions, update pipeline stages, all from mobile, content and image generation, built-in high-level support, full screen AI workflows, rhythmic streaming, all kinds of awesome stuff. Very easy to do. You just jump in to the mobile app and navigate to the app drawer. Alternatively, you can use the AI floating action button on the homepage as well. And then you just, go to town just like you would on the desktop app. And here are a couple of screenshots, kind of what you should see and assume. And there's a little floating Ask AI button. And then of course there is also the Ask AI in the app thing as well, which I don't have a screenshot of. But that's okay, because you'll find it. It's that obvious. So anyways, this is very, very cool. Again, we all know how awesome this is already, but now that you can do it on mobile, it's even better. So on that note, and quick note, of course, this is only available to agency users and admins today. We are, of course, working to change that. And once we do, we'll let you all know. But in the meantime, it is live on mobile. So on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Thursday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.
So for anybody that doesn't have the tool, check out our 30-day free trial, right the link at the bottom, and go and have some fun with this. Now you can speak to your CRM, the only CRM that can do this right now, and you can get a lot of this stuff done to make you equally efficient and easy, that anybody can do it. And again, it's a lot of fun. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to be done. And this is the definite way to do it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.